I'm thinking at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we've got a brand new 2024 Yamaha 195S that just came in. This is in the black exterior, has the cool interior color. Moving on to the back swim deck, you've got C-deck matting, stereo remote control here, integrated cup holders, Yamaha's patented clean out system here. Step ladder back here in the back with grab handles. Let's step up in the boat and I'll show you some interior features. The back of the Yamaha boats are very nice. They allow you to sit back here rather than getting into the water. Very low to the water line. Ample seating. This has got a nice horseshoe shaped seating. Dual captain chairs. Captain chair, you'll notice on this side does have the bolster, so you can sit on top of it. It's a single engine boat, has a stereo with Bluetooth here, digital gauges, cell phone holder. Moving into the engine compartment, powered with a supercharged 1.9 liter engine, brand new for Yamaha this year. Plenty of storage on the port side. Built-in storage area for a cooler. These are filler seats for the bow area as well. So you put those into this area in the bow and makes that into a large sun pad. Windshield flips over. Glove box, plenty of cup holders. Bow area, storage underneath the port and starboard seating in the front, with integrated holders down here for holding on while you're going fast. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. This is the 2024 195S by Yamaha.